Hi everybody, this is Jenna with Uncomplicated Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about garlic. All right, so this is a head of garlic. The thing that's inside of it is called cloves. So often a recipe will call for, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, minced, whatever. First thing you gotta do though is you gotta get into it. So what's an easy way to do that? So the easiest way for me to get into a head of garlic is to just simply use my body weight. I'm gonna press and I'm gonna roll around a little bit on it until it starts to crack. And then inside are all of those cloves. So most of the time, there's absolutely no need for meticulously peeling the garlic. What often you have to do is mince it. Right, if you have to mince garlic, here's the best way to get into it. All right, so you place that down on a cutting board, flat side of the knife, straight down, give it one good whack, and then that skin will come right off. And now what you've got is garlic that's basically halfway to minced. What if you need to peel your garlic? What if you want to slice it thin or use it whole? Well, here's a simple way to get that skin off of it. Well, mostly anyway. So I have the cloves, still with the skin on. I'm gonna put them in this jar. And now we shake it. Did it work? Hey, that was really helpful. But it doesn't work as good as people say it works. Actually, it did loosen up those skins. We tried something new today. Maybe I had to shake a little bit longer, but it did knock those skins really loose. And so we're able to peel them, which is actually really cool. I would say it's got a 75% clove peeling success rate. All right, so now it's minced, and now you've seen it peeled. And now it's ready for you to do just about anything you want with it. And you don't have to use this stuff in the jar if you don't want to, because this stuff is way less expensive and just as simple to use. Until next time, bye.